SDJK Machinery Company Limited was established in 2014. It is a one-stop diversified international trade comprehensive enterprise integrating R&D, development, sales, and after-sales. It is a high-quality construction machinery manufacturer in China. The main products sold are small excavators, skid steer loaders, dump trucks, off-road forklifts, backhoe loaders, self-loading mixers, mini dump trucks, and other small construction machinery. All our products comply with international quality standards. We have more than 10 years of experience in OEM, ODM of earth-moving machinery and equipment, and are committed to becoming one of the brands chosen by domestic and foreign users. We have professional engineer support, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantage. We also provide overall solutions to meet diverse needs, attracting customers from all over the world, and are widely praised by domestic and foreign customers. We export to 40 multiple countries, including Europe, Poland, Serbia, the United States, Mexico, Canada, Australia, and Chile, among others. Our goal is to make our services known worldwide, and have more opportunities to make friends from all over the world. Committed to creating high-quality services and becoming an enterprise trusted by customers, proud of employees, and respected by society, is our vision. SDJK Machinery Company Limited is willing to further cooperate with customers from all over the world. We sincerely invite domestic and foreign customers, new and old friends to visit the JK factory for visit and guidance.